Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to the land of Daeng, South Sulawesi, a region that holds a million charms and warmth for every soul who visits.
A region rich in noble cultural values,
where tradition and modernity coexist in perfect harmony.
Calls home to a mesmerizing Islamic heritage,
Whose history is beautifully etched into every curve of its architecture.
Hello everyone!
We are from English education students from class
B!
We are from group
2!
Hello, I am Nilfeni Nurunisa.
And I am Nur Afiasari. I am Nur Aziza.
And I am Akira Fitri.
Hi, I am Sabrina Modi Rajab. And I am Ramadhani.
The hustle and bustle of Makassar, between of the road vehicles and the sea dynamic rhythm. This occasion, we invite you to explore deeper and journey through time to witness the grandeur of one of the mosques in the land of Daeng, the Great Mosque of Makassar.
The Raya Mosque of Makassar is located on Jalan Masjid Raya, Bontoala District, Makassar. This mosque is not merely a building, but the heart of the city. Standing majestically on over 13,000 square meters of land, the Raya Mosque of Makassar welcomes everyone with its two spacious main floors. Observe the surroundings. The lush gardens provide fresh air amidst the city, creating a serene and comfortable atmosphere for every visitor. And look up, two grand minarets reaching 66.66 meters high stand as beacons of faith, the strength of the city identity.
Behind these magnificent walls lies a long history of trials, dedication, and struggle. Initiated by the Raya scholar K. Haji Ahmad Bone in 1948 and officially established in 1949, this mosque is a symbol of resistance and unity during the transition to independence. History records that during the colonial era, the sacred place was an inseparable part of the struggle. One of our Raya figures, Haji Arifin, fell as martyr here to defend faith and national honor. This mosque also plays a vital role in the development of the Al-Quran in Indonesia. It is a perfect that in 1968, this mosque was the first venue for the national MTQ Quran recitation competition. Since then, it has remained a beacon for MTQ and MHQ activities at both provincial and city level. This proved the mosque serves a dual role as the house of Allah and inclusive center of Al-Quran education for all generations. After major renovation in 1999 and 2004, it transformed into its current grand form. You can also see the portraits of the foundation chairman, symbolizing the journey of history and leadership here.
As a halal tourism destination, the Raya Mosque of Makassar continues to innovate. Today, accessibility is no longer a barrier. It is equipped with modern elevators to assist elderly and disabled worshippers in reaching the main floor. The cleanup on the mosque looks clean, tidy, and comfortable for worshippers. The site of the wudu is separated between men and women so that the worshippers can ache more comfortably and in an orderly manner. It has a large, comfortable building to be used for worship by many worshippers. It consists of 2 floors, where the first floor was used for prayer prayers and the second floor was used for other religious activities. In addition, it looks clean, tidy, and has a nice atmosphere that gives worshippers comfort when they are inside. Your safety and comfort are our priorities. With a vigilant security system and a well-structured organization, this mosque welcomes you 24 hours a day. Yes, you heard it right. Whenever you need a place to pray or find peace, our doors are always open. The architectural design allows for natural airflow, keeping it cool without air conditioning. One of its main attractions is the giant handwritten Al-Quran and the Asmaul Husna platform that creates a powerful spiritual aura. Inside, you can find vendors for prayer kites, while the surrounding area offers various halal delicacies like noodles and local snacks.
The Raya Mosque of Makassar is not just a place of worship, but the center of the community's spiritual and social life. Every day, the echoes of the Adhan never cease. From the tranquility of congregational prayers to the deep wisdom of Islamic studies and morning lectures that revive the soul. Social care is truly felt here, through the management of parking lots and shoekeeping services. Every rupiah collected is returned from the community's welfare, supporting students and those in need. This mosque also witnesses secret unions. The marriage ceremonies are encouraged here as a part of a blessed Islamic mission. This mosque never sleeps. It is a sanctuary for those seeking peace. The crowd reflects the mosque's inseparable role in a pulse of society.
In the end, we witness how history, culture, and spirituality merge into one heart. The Raya Mosque of Makassar. For over 75 years, this grand structure has been more than just concrete and towers. It stands firm as the heart of Islamic preservation in South Sulawesi. It is not only a place of worship, but a center for education, da'wah, and community empowerment. Now, it is your turn to come and walk this corridor of histories.
To know closer and to love this great heritage we possess.
Because we believe that a truly living mosque
is a mosque that's filled and loved by the footsteps of its worshippers.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.